Studies show that just 12 minutes of daily meditation can significantly reduce stress, improve focus, and increase emotional stability within a few weeks. Yet most people who try meditation quit within the first 7 days. Not because it doesn't work, but because they don't stay consistent long enough to see results. Now imagine practicing a simple method for just 12 minutes every day and actually sticking with it. What would happen to your mind, your emotions, and your daily life? This is exactly what thousands of people have experienced with Isha Kriya. And in this video, you'll discover what really happens when you practice it daily. Isha Kriya is a simple yet powerful meditation technique designed by Sadhguru. It requires no prior experience, no complex posture, and no spiritual background to begin. The entire process takes about 12 to 18 minutes, making it one of the most accessible practices for beginners. But simplicity can be deceptive. What looks like a basic practice on the surface often creates deep internal shifts over time. The real impact doesn't always show immediately. It builds quietly, day after day. In the first few days, most people don't notice anything dramatic. There are no sudden breakthroughs or overwhelming experiences. Instead, there's often restlessness, distraction, and wandering thoughts. This is completely normal. Your mind is not used to being still. In fact, for many people, this is the first time they are truly sitting with themselves without external stimulation. And that alone can feel uncomfortable. But something subtle begins to happen even in this early stage. You start becoming more aware of your thoughts rather than being completely controlled by them. Instead of reacting instantly, you begin to notice patterns. You may catch yourself overthinking or worrying unnecessarily. This awareness is the first real shift. It's not dramatic, but it's powerful. Because once you see clearly, change becomes possible. After about a week of consistent practice, many people start noticing a slight sense of calm. Not a permanent state, but small pockets of peace throughout the day. Situations that would normally trigger stress begin to feel less intense. You may still feel emotions, but they don't take over as strongly. There's a small gap between stimulus and reaction. And in that gap, you start gaining control. By the second or third week, your relationship with your mind begins to change more noticeably. Thoughts are still there, but they feel less overwhelming. You may find it easier to focus on tasks without constant distraction. Productivity improves without forcing it. You don't feel as mentally exhausted at the end of the day. And slowly, clarity begins to replace confusion. One of the biggest changes people report is emotional stability. Daily ups and downs don't feel as extreme as before. Anxiety reduces gradually, not instantly. You begin to respond to situations more consciously instead of reacting impulsively. Even difficult moments feel more manageable. This doesn't mean life becomes perfect. It means you handle life differently. Physically, your body also starts responding to this consistency. Your breathing becomes more relaxed throughout the day. Sleep quality often improves without any extra effort. You may wake up feeling slightly more refreshed. Tension in the body begins to reduce. These are small changes, but they add up over time. And they directly affect your overall well-being. After about 30 to 40 days, something deeper starts shifting. This is where many people begin to truly understand the impact of the practice. You feel less dependent on external situations for your happiness. Your inner state becomes more stable regardless of what's happening outside. This is a major turning point, because most people live their entire lives reacting to external conditions. This is also the stage where consistency becomes easier. In the beginning, practicing daily feels like effort. But after a few weeks, it starts feeling natural. You don't have to force yourself as much. The practice becomes part of your routine. And when you miss it, you actually notice the difference. That's when you know it's working. Another important shift is how you perceive yourself. Isha Kriya is designed to create a subtle distance between you and your thoughts. Over time, you begin to realize that you are not your mind. This may sound simple, but it's a profound realization. Because most of your stress comes from identifying too strongly with your thoughts. Once that gap is created, freedom begins. Many people also report an increase in inner clarity. Decisions become easier because your mind is less cluttered. You don't overanalyze everything as much. There is a sense of knowing what feels right for you. This doesn't come from logic alone. It comes from a deeper level of awareness. And that changes how you approach life. It's important to understand that Isha Kriya is not about instant transformation. It's not a quick fix or a magical solution. The real power lies in consistency. Even if each session feels small, the cumulative effect is powerful. Just like going to the gym, results don't appear overnight. But over time, the changes become undeniable. The biggest mistake people make is expecting immediate results and quitting too early. They try it for a few days and decide it's not working. But meditation doesn't work on demand. It works through involvement and patience. If you stay consistent for at least 30 to 48 days, you give yourself a real chance to experience the benefits. And that's where the shift truly begins. So what really happens when you practice Isha Kriya daily? You don't become a completely different person overnight. But you become more aware, more stable, and more in control of your inner experience. Stress reduces, clarity improves, and your relationship with yourself begins to change. And over time, that changes everything else in your life. The real question is not whether it works, but whether you are willing to stay consistent long enough to see it. If you're planning to try Isha Kriya or already practicing, share your experience in the comments below. And subscribe for more honest insights on meditation, spirituality, and inner growth.